Aloe vera is really great for our natural hair due to its many benefits. I mean, there are so many ways that you can use aloe vera to boost your hair growth. In today's video, I'm going to show you one way that you can use aloe vera with the old-fashioned Blue Magic grease to boost your hair growth. This has been part of my hair care regimen ever since I damaged my hair and started to grow my hair all over again. And today, I can boast of a very thick, beautiful hair. Of course, I use it on my daughter's hair too, and now her hair is nice, beautiful and thick. If you want to know how I use aloe vera with the Blue Magic grease, make sure you are watching this video to the end. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell, because on this channel I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help with your hair growth using natural ingredients like ginger, cloves, rosemary and many more. I also do hairstyle tutorials, so if this is a content that you enjoy, make sure to subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I start by washing my aloe vera leaf to make sure I get all the bacteria and everything from it. Then after that I cut it into small chunks like so. After that I'm going to soak my aloe vera leaves in water for about a couple of hours to make sure to get rid of the latex. You see how clear the water is? After 2 hours, this is how the water turns to. This process is very important because if you did not do this process, you might end up having some itch using the aloe vera leaf. Okay, so after that, I'm just going to get my juice out of the leaves and I just cut it into two and use a spoon to scrape it off. At this point, you really have to take your time to get all the gel out. Aloe vera has so many great benefits to our natural hair. It contains minerals and vitamins that can strengthen the strands of your hair. It can also strengthen your scalp. It can prevent dandruff and also help prevent hair breakages. I mean, you can literally use aloe vera alone with grease to grow your hair. You do not need expensive products to grow your hair. All these natural ingredients can boost your hair growth without spending so much money. You can find aloe vera anywhere. It's very easy to find, very inexpensive, and you can even grow it at your backyard. And guys, you know how we do it here. If you're still watching to this point, make sure you show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. Okay, so after scraping all the juice out like so, I'm going to blend it. And guys, I'm going to show you how I blend my aloe vera gel because I want the slime. I want that slimy, nature of it. So whenever I blend it, I do not just blend it continuously, but rather I use the pause method. I blend, then I pause, then I blend, then I pause. That way, it still has a slime, texture to it. Then after that, I'm going to use my strainer to strain it out. Do not skip this step because if you do not strain it out, you're going to have chunks like so in your hair after using your aloe vera gel. And I don't want that for you. All right, so at this point, I'm going to add my favorite leave-in conditioner. I'm going to use the Cream of Nature sulfate-free conditioner. I love this conditioner because it has no sulfate to it or alcohol, so it doesn't dry your hair. You do not have to use the same conditioner that I'm using. You can go ahead and use your favorite conditioner and just mix it with your aloe vera. Doing it this way will give you full benefits of your conditioner as well as the aloe vera. Because the conditioner is already moisturizing, so mixing with the slip of the aloe vera makes it work wonders on your hair. And guys, at this point, I'm going to add my castor oil. I love castor oil because it helps moisturize your hair. It also improves the overall strength of your hair and help you to detangle your hair much easily. So I always add it to my regimen like so, and after that I'm going to whisk everything away like no one's business. And you see the slime, you see how thick it is? This is exactly how I want it. So I decided to use my daughter today so everybody will know that this is really safe for kids as well, not only for grown-ups. So I started by washing her hair, and this is how I wash her hair. I always make sure I wash it whilst it's in twist. Her hair is really thick and heavy, so I really need to be gentle when I'm working with it. Otherwise, it's all going to be tangled up. And that is the main reason why I love this recipe. Because of the slip, it makes it very easy for me to detangle her hair. Guys, if you are someone with coarse hair, this is your go-to recipe. If you're someone trying to grow your hair, you have to try this recipe because this recipe will prevent your hair from breaking. You see all the slip that comes with it? It just makes detangling so much easier. I don't even know how to explain it. Just look at how it goes on to my daughter's hair and I just run my fingers through it. Then after that, I use a white tooth comb to just detangle it even more. And you see how the comb just runs through it easily. You must give this a try. This method of using aloe vera is the bomb. And guys, make sure you're watching this video to the end because I'm going to show you all the instructions to make this really work for your hair. I know most of you do not watch the video to the end. I always advise you watch at least halfway through the videos because I take time. Look at how I got my daughter ready to wash her hair. It took me like almost the whole day just to film this video, and after that editing. So if you do not watch and you just ask questions that I've already answered in the video, it makes it hard for me. It discourages me, makes me feel you do not even watch my videos, because I make sure when I'm doing the voiceover, I answer all your questions. I kind of come into your minds and think of the questions you might ask me, and I make sure I answer everything in the video. So please make sure if you really want to learn how to do this, you are watching the video throughout. Okay, so I'm just going to apply it in sections. I just get every part of the hair and I make sure I rub this into it, and I use my hands to detangle it. Because of the slip, it's so much easier to separate with your fingers. Then after that, I go in with my white tooth comb to make it even more detangled. Then this is how it's looking, guys. Look at how it is looking. I just love this treatment. You must give it a try. So at this point, I'm going to cover it with a shower cap, and I'm going to double it up because I want the heat to penetrate into her hair. I do not like to set her under the dryer or anything like so because she's too little. So I just let her sit for about 40 minutes to an hour. Then after that, we're going to wash it out. All right, so let's go ahead and prepare our hair grease. You all know Blue Magic is old-fashioned, guys. It's an old-fashioned grease. When I was young, my mom used to use this on my hair, and my hair was flourishing. So I don't know why we've already abandoned these old-fashioned greases, and now we are all into the new ones, and we are spending so much money into it. This is very inexpensive, and you can get it from your local beauty supply store, and it can just flourish your hair. Just this and the aloe vera. You do not even need anything else, guys, and you just add your favorite oils. So I just take a scoop and just put it in a bowl like so, and I'm going to add my favorite oils to it. You don't have to add these oils, you just have to use what you have. But me, I'm going to add my coconut oil because of what it does to my hair. It is lightweight, it helps with shine, it helps with dandruff, and it does so many good things for your hair. Then after, I'm going to add my favorite Jamaican black castor oil. You all know I love this oil because it can help thicken your hair. I use this for my hair as well as my daughter's hair. And today I'm going to add my pure glycerine. Glycerine can also help make your hair really smooth. It helps moisturize your hair. It can also prevent hair breakages. And also I'm going to add my favorite oil. That is the olive oil. You all know I love my olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best oils that you can use to grow your hair. It is lightweight, it is organic, and it can just penetrate into your hair strands and help you grow much thicker and beautiful hair. So all these oils that I added to the Blue Magic grease is going to make the grease even work much better. And when you apply this to your hair, guys, I can guarantee your hair can stay moisturized for about 2 weeks. Give it a try and challenge me. Because you just saw my daughter say it's really thick and nothing will moisturize it. But whenever I use this, it works like magic. All right, so this is her hair after an hour. You see how soft it is? So I'm just going to wash it out, guys. I washed it out. This is a deep conditioner. So at this point, I just wash it out with water, okay? So I'm just going to go in with her leave-in conditioner, and I'm using the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner today. And I'm going to use it on her hair. Just look at how I'm going to do it before I add the grease to it. And guys, if you're still watching at this point, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So each time I upload DIYs like this, you'll be one of the people to be notified. On this channel, I teach you how to care for your hair and also tips to grow your hair much faster. I also do simple hairstyle tutorials that you can rock. All right, so I started by going in with my leave-in conditioner. I went in with some coconut oil. I love adding coconut oil to it because it helps me to detangle her hair easily. The coconut oil with her leave-in conditioner makes it easy for me to run the comb through it. Then after I go in with the grease. Because her hair is thick, I make sure I'm getting the grease onto her roots. I'm getting onto the ends and to the strands. I get it to every part of her hair. Because if I do not do that, her hair is going to be dried in 2 days. And I'll have to go in again to re-moisturize. But when I do this process, I don't have to worry about her hair. Just brush it off in the morning and she is ready to go. And guys, just look at that. Just look at how moisturized her hair is. Look at the shine it adds to the hair. You must give this a try. And the most important part of this whole recipe is after applying it to your hair, do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. And guys, I have a tutorial of this hairstyle that I did for my daughter. It's coming up very soon. So make sure to watch out for it. And after that, I just move on to the next part of the hair. Do the same process. I went in with the leave-in conditioner. Then I also went in with the coconut oil. Then after I'm going in with the grease, I make sure to rub it in her roots, get it into her ends. And you know, new hair always grows from the scalp. So healthy scalp means healthy hair. So whenever you are applying any treatment, make sure you are getting into your roots so it can penetrate into your scalp. All right. Then after that, make sure I get into the ends too, because the ends of our hair is the oldest part of our hair and it turns to break out easily. So whenever you are moisturizing your hair, make sure you concentrate on the ends as well. Otherwise, if your end starts to break, your hair can never grow long. So make sure you are always giving that end some TLC. And after that, you lock it like this with a protective hairstyle. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching. And I know you have already given this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. But before you leave, click on the video you see right now to